Hello, class, and welcome. Welcome to our late fall start here of travel and tourism. This is going to be a brief 4-minute video. Of course, this is the introduction week for our course, and this happens to be our fall 2 start for this course. For some of you all, I actually have you in my other course that's been recurring and started at the beginning of the semester back in August, and that is the cost control course. So you're familiar with me as being your professor and instructor. So for the most part, this is a pretty relatively large class. So I'm going to be brief here, as this is going to be an introduction video just to kind of guide you at some of the things that you can look at right now. Today happens to be Thursday, October the 13th, and I have officially launched the course for the semester. So there's going to be another video within week number 1, which will start on Monday, October the 17th. Again, the course does not start until Monday. That will be this coming Monday, October the 17th. But however, though, I made the decision to just open up the course right now for anyone over the course of the weekend that just may want to familiarize themselves with how the course layout is here on D2L. So the first thing that I want you all to do is go to your contents, and of course you click on your table of contents. That's going to expand everything that you need in terms of looking at the course. First of all, you're looking at the start here option, and it just gives you my information for the most part, who I am, also a brief background of me, and my contact information. So the next thing that you definitely want to do is that as you click on start here, it actually expands what's available for you to view within the table of contents. And so take a look at your resources that are available with the college. And many of you all are familiar with D2L as you do engage in your online courses, your other online courses. So a lot of this is already familiar to you. Also, there are steps to student success. Take a look at that. Expectations in the course as well. Just take a look at these things. These are all resources that are available for you all, and that's really pertinent to know for the success of this course. You also have the 10 P's of class expectations. Again, just take a little while over the course of the weekend to actually view this content. And then, of course, there's the syllabus. And the syllabus happens to be a PDF version of what we're going to be engaging in within travel and tourism for this upcoming semester. And then you have your required course materials. And if you open this up, and again, quite a few of you all I know are familiar with D2L already, this is going to be the required textbook for the course. And then all you have to do is hit preview, and then of course the textbook itself will open up, as mine is doing right now here on my computer. Okay, so with that being, okay, as you log into the course, and what I'm going to do is also send a mass email out to everyone regarding the start of the semester for this course, which will be on this Monday, October the 17th. Make sure that you click on the YouTube link and just view the basic layout information of this course. And of course, I'm going to be following up within week 1 with an instructional video in terms of what we're going to be doing for the first week of the course. Once again, I am elated to teach this course to everyone. This is Professor Javier Black, and I will be tuning in to everybody in the next video, which you'll find in week 1. Okay, any questions, reach out to me. My information is available. My availability hours to be reached by phone, as well as the hours that I receive text messages, and you can also email me as well. Okay, everyone, talk to you soon.